It's a certified 2015 Cadillac SRX. Beauty and functionality flow into one another, giving you an SUV that refuses to compromise. It comes with great features you'll love: V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver notes the SRX has been doing some very heavy lifting for Cadillac, particularly since the Porky DTS was put out to pasture. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. Take it for a test drive today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.